Hello, and welcome back to another episode of 7 Billion Humans. What are we doing next? Sure, let's just keep going. Year 23, sorting hall. Sounds like we need to maybe sort something. And it looks like we have killer robots. Okay, don't be alarmed. Let's not make any sudden movements or step out of line. We're being evaluated. I need you to calmly sort a line of cubes. From smallest on the left to biggest on the right. Yes, I remember when problems like this used to be difficult when there was only one person working on it. But now we've got teamwork. Alright, arrange the cubes in order from smallest on the left, biggest on the right. The data cubes can stay in your worker's hand, no need to set them down again. If two workers are both trying to walk to the other one's tile, they will swap positions. Yeah, I know. So if my item is smaller than or equal than whatever's on my left, then I want to step left. And otherwise I want to step right. They're creating gaps here. That's not great. I probably don't want a gap. If to my right there is a worker. Okay, we're looping something here that shouldn't be looped. Or are we? Oh, these are the same, so they just endlessly swap now. Hoarding up everything else. Okay. Does that fix that? I'm gonna say no, but I don't know. Where are we stuck now? Oh, they are still going to the right. Except for someone who's trying to go left. Who's that? Who are you? Pause. Who are you? Thomas. Ah, okay. If you just do if my item is larger, then on my right go to the right. Does that do it? What an astounding display of teamwork. Okay, so that works. Sure. Should work too. Humans are definitely not obsolete. Done. Yeah, it's 6 or fewer, and we're also fast enough. It looks like we're pretty close, but we are fast enough. Excellent. Okay, budget brigade, not bridge, brigade 1, and then also 2 should be done with the green path, but we need to optimize still, so I'll have to do more work here. Alright, well, this is clearly dangerous. Yes, it is. Facilities management was supposed to install conveyor belts in here, but we couldn't afford conveyor belts because someone blew our budget on shredders. So everyone just think like a conveyor belt. Print stuff on the left, shred it on the right. Let's not overthink this. Oh yeah, and for safety compliance, no one is allowed to leave their tile. Okay, so I guess if below is a printer, then take from below and then give to the right. Can I do that? I'm gonna assume I can. And I also want to do if my items is, if my item is, can I just do something? If my item is my item, or I can just maybe do this, give to the right. They all go to the right. I haven't even looked. Let's see if this does actually work like that. I don't know if it does. Oh, they're shredding themselves. Why? Okay, this is better. We definitely should get rid of this. Alright, so we've done the size, but we're 30 seconds over, which is not insignificant. I guess we would want an else here. That should do it, I think. No, still not. Wow. How? How do I make this even faster? Or we could do something like, I feel like the ifs are good to have, right? If this is a printer, take from there. The thing with if you do a take from instead, I haven't really read this, but yeah, workers can give to a take from other workers. Know that you do not need both, just one or the other will do. Now that's teamwork. If I just do it like this, and then if below is a shredder, throw it in. I don't think this is gonna be very good, or maybe not work at all. Oh yeah, it's definitely not good because that's something we should do. But there are, like, it's not faster, it's slower. I think, because of all the complaints. Yeah. Because they take from even if there's nothing to take. And I can't test if to my left is my item? That can't work. No. And if I just change this again, I'm just gonna... I'm building the same thing again. That's the same solution I've had. No, it's not, because it doesn't work. Okay, so I take from... it should be... here. But it's the exact same again, right? 61, yeah. Oh no, it's actually faster, somehow. But not fast enough still. I don't think this is gonna change anything, right? If my item is something... No, yeah, I can't do it like that. Yeah, it has to be. Yeah, this is the same again. No. I mean, it feels like they're working as fast as possible. And I can't do something like this. Because they're gonna move. Or try to move, but can't, and that doesn't work. How do I make this even faster? guess it's slower by a couple of seconds, but I'm not sure. Yeah, that one's slower because now everyone here needs to also do this. Like every loop here also needs to go in here and check, and that's slow. Saving seconds by not having that being a thing. But how do I save even more seconds? I don't know. Well, I could avoid this second check if my item is something, and is it actually going to be slower though? I don't know. And below is not a shredder. Give to the right, and then go right back to up here. I actually go back to here, because you never need to check again. Yeah, okay, that should actually save some time. Because once you're in this loop, you're never gonna be in this loop. So that alone should save us a bunch. So let's just get rid of this. What did we do wrong? If my item is something... Oh yeah, we're jumping. Do this. Can I do something like this too? And just loop this? No, because it gets stuck here now. But if I move all of this out here... No idea what we're doing now. Well, we're second fastest, 10 seconds off though. Might be like another couple seconds faster, or it might be the same. I have no clue. Oh, it's much slower. Why? That's a weird one. Oh, because that jump is completely wrong now, of course. It defeats the whole purpose of all of this. We don't need this jump anymore, do we? Oh no, we do, because they don't have an item at the beginning, right? How is that so much slower? Okay, what if we do if below is nothing If my item is something, give it to the right. If below is a shredder, if my item is something, give it to the bottom. Why not? Oh, it's not nothing, I'm sorry, it's a hole. Oh, 4 seconds. Ah. This should be it, I think. Yes. The reason this is faster is because we have many more workers with a hole below. So now we're catching them first in this loop, and they never run through this loop, and that saves time. That's interesting. So we're just catching them all in their own little loop, depending on what they are. If they are like a printer person, a shredder person, or an in-between. And this order doesn't matter, I think. Actually, this is probably better to be first, because he's the one starting off the... or the other one starting off the whole chain, basically. That was good. I like that. Alright, budget bridge number 2. Brigade. I have a bridge in my mind now, because I read it wrong once and now I can't get it out. Ugh, I have a headache. No one is allowed to walk. Just be a conveyor belt, you know the drill. I also took the liberty of removing tempting floor tiles. Just read your instructions over there and leave me alone. Right. Shred data cubes of value 50 and higher on the right, smaller on the left. Shred at least 20 cubes, no one is allowed to walk. Okay, so... if below is a printer, take from there and give to up here and jump. So the interesting part is going to be separating left and right, obviously. We could have one that's just if left and right of you are workers, and then if it's more than 50, give it to the left. Yeah, we'll just do that, right? If to the left is a worker, or to the right is a worker. If my item is something, and then if my item is $50 and higher to the right, smaller than the left. So if it's smaller than 50, give it to the left. Then we also need an if down here somewhere. If down here, this is gonna be a nightmare to optimize. If below is a shredder and No, no and. No, if below is a shredder. And if my item is something, dump it in the shredder. And if above me is a worker, and if... No, and if my item is something, give it up. And then there's a jump missing here somewhere, right here. Let's see how this fails. Oh, you're caught in this one. Right, so I guess this needs to be here. Okay, so it's just the shredder person is also caught in this one. I guess it's not good for optimization's sake, probably, but let's just make a solution that works for now. Because this is pretty ugly anyway. It's a whole mess of code. 10 commands. 19. But we have to... Oh wow, we have to speed down. I mean, I was kind of working towards that, I guess. But 10 or fewer commands is not a lot of commands. Okay, if below is a printer, then take from below and give up to here, I guess. And just do that forever. But there's already so many commands. 10 commands. Usually the commands one are the easy ones. This one... I mean, we can make it super slow, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know, this is gonna be tricky, I think. Because this logic just needs a lot of space, and I don't know how I can make it smaller. Because yeah, this is a whole mess already. 10, huh? I guess we don't want any of this. This is efficiency stuff, which we don't care about right now. So if left or right is not a worker, just do an else here. Yeah, okay, so that part works, but you only have one command to do the shredding now, which obviously is not gonna work. Because it'll be if below is a shredder and my item is something, otherwise they shred themselves. Give to the shredder. It's incredibly slow, but we're not concerned about that. Solution not robust. What? Why does this not work all the time? That's weird. When does it fail? The solution failed more than 50% of the random tests. You'll have to take a new approach. Here, I try to reproduce conditions where your solution will fail. Try running your program again right now and pay close attention. Okay, so let's see where it fails. It would be nice if I could see like the point where it fails too, so I don't have to step through every single step. Because I mean, yeah, this is all slow because they are complaining all the time, but that's kind of the part of the thing. This is too slow. But doing it quick, I feel like I might miss it. Oh, it's because this is not an else. Is that it? No, it should be... That's not a command. That's bad. Actually, I don't know if that matters. It might. Since I didn't really see the fail, I don't know. Interesting. How do I reduce commands? I could just get rid of this, I guess. Where did the shredder people go? Oh, if they take from the shredder, they die? Oh yeah, they do. Oh, we can't do that then. Well, that sucks. Why do they still kill themselves? Oh, because this is an end, right? So they're still gonna take from. Ah. But we're never getting it up here then. So close to the 10 commands, so they can't quite make it work. Do I have XOR? No. Not that I could really make anything happen with it, I think, but I was just thinking about it. What if we just don't do this at R? Well, let's copy this and paste it here. What if I can I just I just want to get rid of the if, but not everything that's in the if. Can I do that? I can just move this out here. If below me is not a shredder, I don't know if this works or not. It looks like it might be working. And it does. And it does. Amazing. That was very good. 9. That's even, you know, could have had one extra even. This is weird, but it works. Yeah, if it's not a shredder, and if it's less than 50, give it to the left, else give it to the right. These guys are always gonna try that, but they can't. So nothing's gonna happen, and take from, let's just take from up there. So they are gonna funnel up here, and then these guys are also trying to take from, but there's nothing there to take from. And these guys are never gonna take from because they have a shredder. We could even just save this. This could be an else, maybe. No, because then we would shred ourselves again. So we need that condition there actually, yeah. That's all good. So how many optimizations? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. Let's look at Creation Station. Because I don't remember this one at all. I assume we have a working solution here? Okay, so we made 5 commands, 6 seconds. Alright. Organize the data cubes into a nice line along the bottom row between the 2 arrows. Um, well, we're not really living on the edge anymore. We are jumped right in. So we got that. Speed challenge though. Problem with this is that it's always picking up and it shouldn't, which is slow. But there's probably no real good way of avoiding that, is there? I mean, you could like step, and then run the first pickup. I don't know if an if makes it faster or slower if there is a Q, pick it up. And just loop that, step down if there's a Q, pick it up. Or maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just hard code all of this to make it better. I don't know actually. It seems bad. It's like a very bad approach, doesn't it? Because then it would be another step. And then another. No, if here's a cube, pick it up. And another step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then another if. I don't know if the ifs are actually at all useful. It seems very fast, but I don't know. Yes, 5 seconds. Very good. Okay, let's look at this again. We tried this already, right? The optimization here. Yeah, we did. I think the time one might just really be this. Down, down, left, left. Down, down. Right. 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 Down. 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 Pick up. Is that right? I hope I didn't miscount somewhere. No. Yeah, so that's the time. And then what was it? 9 commands? Actually not that far. This is 9, but it doesn't work. I don't know what we did here even. Oh, there's no pickup. So it definitely doesn't work. But does it actually move me where I need to go? No, I just go right and then I go left again, right? Yeah. Does this even work still? Is this the one we had originally? The thing is that these are only 2 commands, so like replacing this will only make sense if I use it again. I don't know. Let's definitely clear this. Because we don't want that. Yeah, we don't ever want to run that again. So I mean, we definitely need all of these commands. That's 5. So we have 4 more to work with. That's not a lot. That's really not a lot. Well, yeah, if down is nothing, step down. If we do an else here, that doesn't really make sense. It makes sense up until this point, and then it doesn't. It'd have to be something like if left is something, step left. Then we only have 1 command left. And yeah, we can't. Yeah, we can't. Could always be caught in that loop again. We could use another jump, but then we're over the commands already. I mean, the pickup could just run every loop, that is not a problem, but how to go to the right? Far enough. 1, 2, 3 times. That's the question I don't have an answer to. Because then after we go right, we need to go down again, so we're gonna go back up here. And we can't do if right is something, go right, because then we would else go left, we could go left and then right. Here, same problem. It's a different logic. If down is not a whore, go down. That's definitely always true. Else, if up is no, if right is a whore, go left. But we'll only go left once. If left is nothing, go left, go left. Go down, go down. I can't do anything. It's dumb. How do I break this? 50 minutes. I should end this episode 5 minutes ago. If left is nothing. And what else? How do I know that I want to go to the right here? I want to go to the right. If right is something, and what else is the condition? I can't do up and down because that's here too, and I would go right here. Like this spot and this spot are identical, but here I want to go left and here I want to go right, and I don't know how to do that. I mean, I know how to, like, I know ways to fix it. I could do this, and then I could do 3 right steps here. But it's too many commands. Actually, I also don't need this else, so... If down is not a horse, step down. That gives us one more command to work with. Which is still not quite enough. Oh, no, yeah, I can't actually. I need the else, right? And if I do 2 steps left... Still not quite gonna do it. Because that would be one way to avoid stepping left and back right, is if I go left twice. But like this, I'm gonna step right here, and then it's gonna go in here and go left, left, and fall off and die. If I could have one more, this would be fine, because then I could do this. I think. Maybe. Very inefficient, but it would work. Because I could go to the right and then back to the left. But... one command. A different order here doesn't change anything. No. Yeah, it just throws me off the cliff right there. How do I just start going right down here? I don't understand. If right is nothing and left is... a whore. And... down is a whore. Then you step right once, but I want to step right more than once. But twice is not enough, which is frustrating. I'm just gonna get stuck here now, right? Frustrating. If to right is nothing, and either the left is a whore, or down is a whore? No, I'm gonna go right here then. How? How? What? Doesn't work. Yeah, that doesn't work. Because they got stuck here. I don't know. I can't figure it out. I'll work on it some more, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.